Good morning. We just left Madura Roadhouse, had a bit of breakfast there, it was pretty good. We spent the night there last night and we decided to backtrack about 1.2 miles. The reason being that most cycle tourists heading east are treated to this stunning view of the Row Plains, but we weren't. The reason being that we were riding in the Row Plains. You probably can't make out, but there's a tiny little dirt track miles and miles off in the distance over there, and that's the way we decided to come in. So we've just had this grueling slog up this hill for a mile in order to get up here and have a look. But I think it was worth it, and now we'll get to fly back down the hill. The Nullarbor Plain is so remote that if you need medical assistance, you can only get it from the Royal Flying Doctors. So many parts of the highway are actually emergency runways, and you can see the markings on the road every now and again. So we just cycled through the site of a massive bushfire. The trees were still smouldering at the side of the road. The Roadhouse staff last night told us that there was a fire out to the east. So I guess that was it. Looks like fortune favoured us once again. We're about 6k from Madura now, and we've discovered the famed Shoe Tree. Bonnie's dragged an old crusty flip-flop all the way here from Madura in order to adorn the tree. Wherever you want.
There?
Hang it to something secure.
Okay. Right here. Yeah. That'll be alright.